She is silly. Come on, it's okay. All good now. You can let go. Come on, Lily, go. 1, 2, 3. Gusto niya talagang mag-open ng door kapag nandito kami sa school ni Ate Paris. Ate, say good morning. Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Wala, tingnan niyo, oh. We gotta go. Oh. Come on, because we have to drop Ate Paris. 1, 2, 3, jump. Come on, let's go. Ate, come there. Keep going. Hold Ate Paris' hand. Come on. Keep going. We're gonna have banana for brain break, honey. Oh my God, maginaw na yung hangin, guys. Tingnan niyo si Babyccino, ano ko? Tawag nito? What's the word? Tights. Leggings. Si ate, ano ko lang sa ilalim.
Oh, we have a new teacher today.
Oh, really? Oh. You okay? Up.
I have a new teacher today.
Bye-bye. You had your banana at home. Ay, maldita ka nga manghod. Sige na. Have a good day, okay? Mama will pick you up this afternoon and we'll go see the cousins. Yay! Excited? Okay, go in. Say good morning, okay? Go. Say good morning. Tingnan niyo itong isa. You have to go lang. Hey, we're gonna go to the library. It's Friday, guys, kaya meron siyang rhyme time at 9:30 this morning. I'm so happy na meron siyang tights. Alam niyo ba, kay Ate Paris yan, nagkasya sa kanya. So, kay Ate Paris, wala na. Sobrang liit na for Ate Paris. So, siya na yung nagsusuot. I'm very happy kasi I know she's gonna be so warm.
Mama?
Yes?
I want to read.
What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Slide? Slide? What are you doing? Ay, kabisi ba ng utak ng anak na ito eh? Up? Okay. One slide, okay? Swing? It's slide. Can you say slide?
Yeah.
Slide. Good
Yeah.
job. 1, 2. Whoa. Careful. Ready, steady. Ready, steady. Whoa! Are you okay? Do you need help?
Yeah.
Yeah? Ang buhok panindog lagi na. This is static electricity. Hey, how about we go get our Babyccino now? And go to the library? Huh? Come on, let's go.
No.
Why not? We gotta go. Celine, we have to go. We're going to the library. Yeah, we're gonna do some I'm a dingo dango scarecrow.
No.
Flippy flappy
No.
hat. Why not?
Wait.
Are you still sleepy, madam? Huh? Are you still sleepy? Come down na. Dito na kami sa labas ng library, guys. Though, it's still 9 o'clock. 9:30 yung rhyme time niya. So, we still have 30 minutes to grab our coffee. Wait for mama. Kaya gapang lang hapon man niya akong anak. Hey, hold mama, oy. Across the road. library is there. And our coffee is just there. Lapit lang. Mimi. Oh, there you go.
Here we go.
There you go.
There you go.
Thank you. Thank you. Show me. Ang cute ng cupcake, guys. Pakit-cute lang yan, ha? $3 yan, guys. Yeah, I know. You light them up. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, shush. Tumbling na.
Yeah.
How about you drink? Yeah. No? Okay. Yummy. It's sunny, guys, pero tingnan nyo, oh. I'm having goosebumps. Lagi na yung hangin na. Winter na talaga ang feels, di ba, nak? Careful you don't get dirty, ha? Good girl. There you go. Drive-thru muna tayo. McDonald's. It's currently 12:16 na pala, guys. May nilakad kami ni Babyccino kanina after her.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Hi, can I just grab a double cheeseburger and a large meal, please?
Yeah, the drink.
Coke, please.
Lovely, and that was what?
That's all, thank you.
Like that, Ran.
Yeah, so after ng prime time niya in this ate sila. Ay, Diyos ko Lord, inapte ko na ang aking baby girl. May pinick up kami from Wishat. Bumili ako ng, guys, like home decor. Kasi, ay pagkikita ko sa inyo mamaya pagka uwi namin. Yesterday, bumili ako ng mga, shelvings, whole table, mga ganyan-ganyan. Thank you. So, magde-decorate na naman ang mami nyo. Nakita ko to siya sa Facebook Marketplace. And it's not too far from us. 20 minutes lang na drive. And, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Thank you. Stop muna tayo para kumain. So, ang ating baby Celine ay natutulog. So, she fell asleep on our way there, actually. So, medyo mahaba-haba na rin yung kanyang tulog, guys. Okay. Like here. Yeah. Tapos, after dito, uuwi na din kami. Magigising din naman yan si baby sila natin. Okay, so pakita ko sa inyo. Okay lang mumukha natin yan, guys. Diyos ko Lord. Uy, ang aking buhok. Ay, nanay life. Okay. So, here it is. Look. I'm super excited. Hindi yung box, guys, ha. Ito. Super excited. Meron siyang maliit na ganito. So, pang talaga siya, pang dekorasyon talaga siya ng bahay. And, this one. Ganon siya. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya pagkalagay ko dito ba. Ayan siya. So, nabili ko to siya, itong dalawa, for $30. And I think that's a really good deal. Kasi, alam niyo ba yung mga ganito lang, guys? Yung mga pa-char-char na mga ganito. Mahal yan dito. At ito rin, oh. So, I think this one, $40 na to siya. Tapos, meron pang ganito. Tapos, meron pang ganito. So, yeah, I paid $30. So, very happy. And petrol. Kasi pumunta pa kami doon. That's a part of it. You know, when you purchase something online, you have to pick up. And, kanina pagka-uwi namin doon sa bahay, right after the rhyme time ni Babyccino. Hindi na kami pumasok sa taas. Ito lang yung hinintay ko kasi meron akong notification from DHL na i-deliver daw today. So, unbox natin. So, this is EOTD. This is from South Korea and this is my contact lenses. Ito yung colored contact lens, guys. Alam niyo ba, kailangan ko pa talagang bumili sa website na ito kasi normally, pag bumibili ako sa Melbourne na palagi kong binibilhan before nung pa kami nakatira. But then, yung grado ng mata ko is -3. Unfortunately, wala silang stock for a while now. Meron silang 2.5 and 3.5. So, yeah, ayaw kong gamitin yung hindi kong grado ba. So, I went online at gusto ko talaga tong contact lens na to kasi alam niyo ba, nung umuwi kami ng Pinas, nagdala ako ng 3 pairs. Monthly lang yung mga contact lens ko, guys. Tapos, sabi ng sister ko na ito daw yung gagamitin ko kasi it suits my eye daw. Nakita ko naman sa mga pictures, guys, sobrang ganda niya. Hindi siya masyadong ewan ko ba, hindi siya masyadong sa mata ko. Yung bang malaki na para kang iring, ganun. Hindi siya ganun. So, this is it, Pansit. So, yung brand niya is Wonder Eye and hazel yung kanyang kulay. And this is monthly. Ayan, so -3. Ayan ang aking grado. So, ano meron? Instruction. Okay. So, I think kapag over $70 ata, ay free shipping ka. So, dalawa yung binili ko, so free shipping. I think it ended up cheaper anyways, kasi kung dito ko bibilhin sa Australia, kung saan ko binibili usually, it's $40 each, tapos mag-postage ka pa. About the same din naman. But it's good. Ganda ng kanilang packaging. So, magagamit ko na ito. Habang tulog ang ating Babyccino, kain muna tayo. I ordered chips and double cheeseburger. Yum. Walang uso diet dito, guys. So, ito yung inad ko, guys, dito kahapon. So, yan siya. Kasi very empty yan siya eh. Diba? Meron dyan. Tapos dyan. And then, isa din. Allah, na. Nak! Halang chips. Gibo-bo. So, yan. Nilagyan ko rin dito. Kailangan lang siya ng mga ilalagay pa. Kaya nga bumili ako. Tignan niyo yung picture namin. This is me and Daddy before the kids. And this is me and Daddy and have a look at Paris there.
And also in Paris.
Mama? Yes.
What's your name?
What's your name? Kasi kung dito ko siya ilalagay. Doon sa hallway. Mama!
Good night.
Diba? Maganda siyang tingnan doon.
Mama.
Yes!
Good night.
Nay! You like it? Like? Tapos, tingnan. Yung hallway, ko, kung ano yung magagawa ko dyan. Ayan. I really like it. Si mami niya, nagagidlay-gidlay na, guys. O, di ba maganda siya tingnan? Very, aesthetic. Maghanap pa ako ng siguro mga libro or something. That's super nice. I love it. Look what I've done here, guys. Tingnan niyo ang bed na change na ang posisyon. Di ba yung ulo, doon yun before? But I decided to clean the bottom. So ngayon, napag-isipan ko na i-change just for a change, guys. Ma-change naman yung look. Ayan. So, hindi pa ako tapos. Yung bed natapos ko na. And, meron lang mga dito, mga abubot dito na I need to fix. But, yeah, I'm very happy with the bed. I like it. I have to go pick up at the Paris now, guys. Here we are. Hala, hindi pa ako nakapagsuklay. Diyos ko, Lord. Ayan, uuwi din kami dito after namin pick upin sa Ate Paris because we are going to my cousin's house tonight. So, meron kaming karaoke night with the cousins. So, we normally do it like once a month. But the last one was January, I think, na nasalihan ko. So, yeah, apparently tonight. So, Paris is very excited kasi alam niya naman she loves my cousins. Na tinatawag din yung mga cousins. Hi guys! It's 6:40 ng gabi. And hindi natuloy yung sabi ko kanina na pupunta kami ng karaoke night with the cousins, guys. Kasi I'm not feeling the best. So, we decided to just stay at home.
And I
Have a
know.
look at this blue girl here.
And I know why we're not going. Because the singing machine is broken.
Oh, who's here? Who's here? Bullying it.
Oh no!
Uminom ng malo.
Oh my god, volcano.
Oh no. Oh no. Okay, sorry, may kakauwi lang, guys. So, umorder na lang kami ng pagkain sa Uber Eats. Tapos, si Daddy Mac, naglakad siya papuntang petrol station para bumili ng ice cream. Tingnan natin.
No.
Oh no! Oh no!
There's no ice cream for dinner.
Where's mine? Is this mine? Yeah. Ito yung dinner namin.
That one? Alright.
Cornito?
This one's for Lainey then.
This one, we'll set it up here. We'll eat here. Manood kami ng Fail Army.